Good morning. We are walking on the pier in Rockport, just getting our day started, hoping to get some inspiration photos for some painting. And it's a nice breezy day, and we went yesterday into Rockport and looked at a bunch of art galleries and enjoyed the day. So we're just getting started this morning. We've already had a little bit of coffee and just gonna see what we can get into today and see what we can find to do.
Where I've received my reputation, I can anchor out my sailing mobile home.
Beautiful view out here, walking on this pier. It's nice and quiet and peaceful still this morning. It's a very nice, peaceful morning here.
Sometimes you know you need to go where nobody knows your name. Lately, well, I'm inclined to start all over. Not that I'm running from the past, but I need a life a lot less hectic, and a place where my wristwatch don't run so fast. Might be a girl there on the island who's not gonna hear about my pain. Sometimes you know you need to go where nobody knows your name. Lately, I fell short of expectations. Maybe I was prone to all along. Passed down to my next
We are on the ferry heading from Rockport over to Port Aransas. We're gonna go check out that area, find something good to eat.
But there's this sunset on the island.
Starting to let everybody off.
It only got
Exit the
himself.
ferry. Very short ferry ride.
Sometimes you know you need to go where nobody knows your name. Sometimes you know you need to go where nobody knows your name.
So that was our trip to Rockport. I got lots of inspiration for some paintings. I did some sketches